Hi, my name is Denise Henry, and I'm one of the co-developers and facilitators of creating and teaching online and hybrid courses for CSU Pueblo. I've been an educator since 2000, working in K-12 as a mathematics teacher, a coach for math, a coach for technology, and a district mathematics coordinator in a district with 32 schools and 20,000 students.
Hi, my name is Alexis Wolstein. I'm one of the other co-creators of this course. I am an assistant professor of library services in the CSUP University Library, as well as the coordinator of the information literacy program, which basically means I see the instruction efforts at the library. I've been working in academic libraries and in library instruction for a little over 10 years now, in particular highlighting open and free and easy to use online tools for students to get to in an equitable fashion. Denise and I are very excited to share the course with you today. The course is an a la carte course. The idea is that you can pick and choose from the different resources available here in the course. There are modules full of different professional learning resources on a variety of topics. So the idea is that you can go and pick what's meaningful to you and focus on those resources. And on that note, the course never closes. So if you need to come back later on because you need some more help, or you want to refer back to other resources that were available in the course, it'll be right here waiting for you.
I'd like to give you a quick overview of what you'll find inside the course. When you look on the left-hand navigation menu, starting with announcements, we'll post announcements periodically, and you'll receive those via email and on the dashboard. The welcome and overview page will have this video and some information on web browsers and emails that work best with Blackboard. The course facilitators link helps you get in touch with Alexis and I if you have any questions that can't be answered on the Blackboard discussion board. The first section we invite you to engage in is the video introductions. Instead of using the typical discussion board introduction where you posted an introduction of yourself and then responded to one or two other people in the class, we set up a tool called Flipgrid. And Flipgrid allows you to post a video introduction of yourself, have your students respond with video introductions, and then they can add all sorts of fun multimedia that are kind of like Snapchat filters or Instagram filters to really share their personality and bring their personality out. So we do invite you to please introduce yourself via the Flipgrid. Next, you'll see course modules. We have 3 course modules that you can pick and choose from, and you can pick and choose from anything inside each module that looks interesting to you. Each module is laid out in a similar fashion. You have a link to a transcript, and that's housed in a Google Doc. And then you also have an interactive lecture. The other 2 modules have 2 interactive lectures to keep them from being so long. And then you'll have more learning, more resources, and maybe some activities to do. Nothing is required, but do try anything out that you like. The Live Binder is our course repository. It's an open source tool, so we've created sort of an OER for the course. And it's packed with all of the resources that you find in the modules. Every transcript is here. There are a strategy bank, an ed tech bank, and then all the planning sheets and frameworks that we provide in the modules are here as well. The Thinking Maps tab takes you out to graphic organizers that you can use with your students. And then we have a bibliography so that you can further your learning in any area that you like. If you have questions, we invite you to click this link and post them on the corresponding module section that goes along with your question. So we'd like to post questions here so that we can engage with each other, and maybe someone else has the same question, or someone else might want to answer your question or be able to contribute. If you have a general question, post that here. Finally, there's a feedback form here. If you're not going through every module, you can submit this just for the parts that you went through. We'd love to hear what worked for you and what didn't work for you, and what you'd like to see more of, so that we can plan professional developments in the future to meet your needs. We're also planning a second iteration of the course, so your feedback is vital to helping us ensure that that course meets your needs. The same feedback form is planted in each module. If you work through an entire module, please complete that feedback form for that module. Thank you so much for enrolling in this course. We're really excited to hear your feedback and hear all about your experiences in the course.
And we hope that you share your experiences from the classroom and from your experiences teaching online with everyone else in the course as well. As you go through the modules, you hear us talk a lot about building a learning community, and we hope that we can all be part of this learning community together.